Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about error handling. Error handling in programming is crucial for anticipating and managing errors that can occur during program execution. By incorporating error handling, you can prevent crashes and enhance the reliability of the program. This involves identifying potential errors, creating protocols to address them, and offering suitable responses or guidance to users. For instance, in a banking application, error handling would ensure that incorrect account details entered by a user are properly recognized and corrected, preventing the program from crashing and ensuring seamless user experience. Errors in a program can fall into three main categories: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. Syntax errors are identified by the interpreter prior to program execution and stem from structural flaws in the code. Runtime errors manifest during program execution and might arise from reasons like improper user input or system problems. Logical errors pose the greatest challenge as they don't lead to error notifications, but produce unexpected or inaccurate results. For instance, a syntax error could be missing a semicolon at the end of a line. A runtime error might happen due to a division by zero, and a logical error might entail miscalculating a formula in a financial application. Error handling in Python is often accomplished through try-except blocks. The try block encapsulates code that may produce errors, while the except block defines how to manage specific errors. If an error manifests within the try block, the program shifts to the except block to execute designated error handling logic. For instance, dividing by zero, as in 10-0 operation, raises a zero division error, triggering the except block to handle the situation, such as displaying a relevant message like cannot divide by zero. In Python, alongside try-except blocks, the finally block allows you to ensure certain code runs regardless of errors. By using built-in exception types like zero division error or value error, you can handle specific error types. Moreover, custom exception classes can be crafted to manage more specialized error cases effectively. For instance, in the provided code snippet, if a value error occurs when converting input to an integer, the except block catches it and outputs a relevant message. Subsequently, the finally block prints a success message without regard to whether an exception was triggered. This structure aids in maintaining robust error handling and ensures critical operations are carried out appropriately within programs. Error handling in programming is like a security system in a bank. Just as a security system detects and responds to any attempted break-ins or robberies to protect the bank and its assets, error handling in a program detects and responds to any unexpected issues or bugs to protect the integrity and functionality of the software. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet provided includes functions for a security system for a bank and error handling for a program. 1. The security system function is responsible for activating the security system at a specific bank, which is indicated by the bank parameter. This function prints a message stating that the security system has been activated at the specified bank. 2. The detect break-in function is triggered when a break-in is detected. In this case, the function simply prints a message informing that a break-in has been detected and that the authorities are being alerted. 3. The error handling function is used for implementing error handling in a specific program, denoted by the program parameter. When this function is called, it prints a message specifying that error handling has been activated within the indicated program. 4. The detect bug function is designed to be executed when a bug is identified. It prints a message notifying that a bug has been detected, followed by the process of logging the error and initiating the fixing procedure. In practice, error handling is crucial in software development to anticipate and manage unforeseen issues, ensuring smoother operation of programs, even in the presence of errors. It helps developers identify and address bugs, exceptions, and unexpected events, ultimately improving the reliability and resilience of software applications. error handling plays a crucial role in ensuring the robustness and reliability of industrial systems. Let's discuss two industrial examples where error handling is vital. 1. Autonomous vehicles. In the automotive industry, autonomous vehicles rely heavily on software systems to operate safely. Error handling mechanisms are crucial in detecting and handling unexpected errors or failures that could occur during the vehicle's operation. Swift and effective error handling can prevent accidents and ensure the safety of passengers and pedestrians. 2. Manufacturing plants. Modern manufacturing plants utilize automation systems to streamline production processes. These systems can encounter errors related to equipment malfunctions, communication breakdowns, or software bugs. Error handling plays a key role in quickly identifying and resolving these issues to minimize downtime and maintain efficient production operations. In both examples, implementing robust error handling mechanisms is essential to maintain the integrity and reliability of industrial operations. By proactively addressing errors and failures, companies can ensure the smooth functioning of their systems and enhance overall productivity. Across the globe, industries are investing in error handling strategies to mitigate risks and maintain seamless operational performance. It is evident that error handling is a critical component in safeguarding industrial processes and upholding standards of quality and safety. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.